Hey everyone, Peter here from the Kostecki Real Estate Group. And today we're in wonderful Explorers Walk in Grand River South, showcasing my amazing new listing, 373 Rivertrail Avenue. Located in a desirable, family-friendly neighborhood and backing onto protected green space, this exceptional home features an astounding 5 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. Boasting a functional floor plan with just under 3,500 square feet above grade, this home showcases a stunning open concept main floor, a finished basement with a walkout and in-law potential, all complemented by an exceptional backyard retreat. So if you're ready, let's kick off the tour. Number 8, open concept main floor. Your senses will be captivated the moment you enter this home. The soaring 18-foot ceilings in the foyer create an awe-inspiring first impression that is sure to leave a lasting impact. With 9-foot ceilings and gleaming tile and hardwood flooring throughout, this main floor invites you to retreat and recharge. You're treated to expansive green space views and an abundance of natural light pouring in through the windows. Unwind by the cozy gas fireplace in this well-appointed living room, perfect for moments of relaxation. Discover ample room to live and entertain, including a convenient main floor office, a practical mudroom off the garage, and a stylish powder room featuring quartz countertops. Number 7, Chef's Kitchen. You'll have no trouble cooking up a storm in this wonderful kitchen. Featuring built-in top-of-the-line Wolf stainless steel appliances, including a 6-burner gas range, under-cabinet lighting, crown molding, tile backsplash and quartz countertops, custom ceiling height cabinetry, a butler's pantry and a walk-in pantry, and a great island with breakfast bar and additional storage. Directly off your kitchen is the bright dinette with walkout, perfect for casual family dinners or alfresco dining. And for formal occasions, you also have a dining room. Number 6, private Oasis. Indulge in the beauty of nature right in your own backyard with this stunning retreat. Enjoy panoramic views of protected green space and the serene absence of rear neighbors, providing you with a peaceful oasis to unwind and entertain. Elevate your outdoor living experience with the expansive 40-foot second floor deck that stretches the entire width of the house. Whether you're hosting memorable barbecue gatherings or simply basking in the sun, this spacious deck offers the perfect setting for relaxation and enjoyment. Let the kids and pets roam freely while you sit back and revel in the tranquility of your surroundings. Number 5, primary suite. Ascend the winding staircase to find your primary suite, complete with French doors, a large walk-in closet, backyard views, and a 5-piece ensuite with quartz counters, double sinks, a soaker tub, and a stand-up shower. Number 4, bedrooms and baths. Upstairs, you'll find 3 great bedrooms and a stylish office perfect for working from home. You'll enjoy the 5-piece privilege ensuite with quartz countertops, double sinks, and shower tub combo, as well as an additional 4-piece ensuite with shower tub combo. Number 3, upstairs laundry. This convenience makes laundry day a breeze. Number 2, finished walkout basement. There's even more great space in this fully finished basement, which would be perfect for the in-laws or a teen. You have a full living room and kitchenette, laundry, a 4-piece bath with shower tub combo, as well as the generously sized bedroom and a stylish den and cold cellar along with ample storage space. Number 1, location. Experience the charm of a neighborhood that caters to your every need at Explorers Walk. Immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the nearby Walter Bean Grand River Trail and the Grand River, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. With top-notch schools, picturesque parks, and convenient shopping destinations just a stone's throw away, everything you need is within reach. And say goodbye to stressful commutes with quick and easy access to major transportation routes, including Highway 401 and the Expressway. Whether you're heading to work, exploring the city, or embarking on a weekend getaway, reaching your destination has never been easier. Thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in this home, check out the website below. And for more great homes, don't forget to follow me on social media. For the Kostecki Real Estate Group, I'm Peter Kostecki. We'll see you on the next one.